Wrap up. Automatically, put the hand down so. Leg of the hand. Put the hand down so. Arm down on it so. That means we're not. Yeah. So you just follow the road. Come off the gas now and shadow the brake. Come off the gas and shadow the brake. Like you put your foot over the brake as if anything you can hold the brake. Put your foot over the brake as if anything you can hold the brake. And cool down yourself now. Like now. Shadow the brake now. Shadow the brake. Hey, tap. You see him brake that's up?
Yeah man, brake.
You're a very passionate person, and that's part of my attraction.
So we're good now. So I want.
You want to say you're line with him?
No man. That's live on camera, right?
A few moments later.
Action. So good now. Yeah, good. So you and Mrs. Right.
Everything good now?
You would not be.
Oh,
I never want.
no,
Look at the word. So I'm going with you, Mrs. Right. I'm not good now.
Hey, me look. Action.
I'm going to teach you people, you know.
No, you don't start it. Shut up. Shit, come again. Put your hands on it. Yeah.
Yeah, babe, but listen.
Action.
Exactly. And that we need to do. So make sure the kids can come support all of us.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Action.
Yeah, we will support. But me know you limit yourself to the people in your community. Remember say tourists are come and what the
Few minutes later.
Action.
me will support. But me know you limit yourself to the people in your community. Cause tourists are come. Jesus Christ.
More to Action. We have signed. Where? So babes, look at the chop on the floor, boy.
12 seconds later.
Action. Where's the sign up the road? Wait there. So babes, let the chop on the floor, boy. Action. Female stuff. When the sign here. Action. Female stuff. When the sanitary napkin them come in at the shop, I use him one pass them to me.
No.
Action. Alright, man, understand. Women weird.
Weird.
Sorry. No.